LG Mini Washer how to replace the door hinges. The following tools are required. Be careful not to damage the hinge cover. Push the cover down on the edges to unhook it. Repeat this procedure for the left hinge. Remove the hinge screws. When the screws are out, take out the hinges. In this left hinge example, pull the hinge to the right, then take it out. Note that the hinges are marked with an L for left and an R for right. Make sure the hinge is seated correctly. Mount the screw and repeat this procedure on the other side. Attach the hinge cover. Start at the top. Repeat this procedure on the other side.